2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2 divided by 2, all 2's. Sounds easy, but I promise you, this one's a trap. Most people go left to right. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Final answer, 3. That's wrong, so wrong. Here's what you forgot. Multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction, so you need to handle those first, then do the rest. Let's break it down. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now the equation is 2 plus 4 minus 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. The answer is 5. Not 3, not 4, 5. The 2's make it look uniform, like you can just chain operations together. You can't. Order of operations exists for a reason, and that reason is to stop you from getting answers like 3. This is basic math that most adults forget. If you got 5, you're smarter than 90% of people. If you didn't, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's fix your math together.